everybody. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. These are the wireless earbuds from the company PSIER, P-S-I-E-R. This is the NC2 model. The seller of this was Tong Direct. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So they are sealed in plastic, which I always think is a good thing. When you get this stuff that's not sealed, you kind of wonder sometimes if it hasn't been returned or not. So I like getting stuff that's been sealed. Let me see if I can get this knife in here. There we go. Not going to be a whole lot to show you. These are noise canceling Bluetooth 5.3 earphones. Let's take a look at everything we've got. Instruction manual. Should be pretty simple. They're advertised as having one-touch reset and one-touch sync. Packaged really well. Charging cable is going to be a Type-C charging cable. They give you this little one with it, and then you've got some extra earbud pieces. As with most rechargeable earbuds, you've got the charging case. They will last up to 35 hours if you use it with the charging case. If you don't use the charging case, you've got 7 hours of playtime with these, and 2 hours on a 10-minute charge. You've got some yellow stickers on here that you would need to take off before using, and then you've got your magnetic ports down at the bottom, or your inserts down at the bottom. That's what lets them basically go in and stick to the case. There's not a charging indicator, or at least a battery life indicator on this case. You just have a light up here in the front. Some of the other models I've shown before will show you the actual percentage. This is what I was saying that they give you extras of if you need to replace those. And they just stick back on. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing of the NC2 wireless earbuds. I hope the video helps.